What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you M4 weapons testing for Crown. We'll need to kill 10 enemies from a range of over 100 meters with M4 platform weapons. There's quite a few of these, and kill one operator with the M4 platform. Now, I've already done the latter half of this simply by playing another game and getting a kill there with an M4 weapon. But in this one, I'll be showing you how to do things over 100 meters. Now, 100 meters is quite a distance, so I'd recommend you take a hybrid scope if you like playing both far and close range. This scope does absolutely nothing for this, but you get the point. This is pretty much what we need. You can even take a bipod to help you get further shots. So if I take a pot shot here, get a kill, that's 120 meters, 110. Obviously, tap fire will be your friend. You can see roughly how far we are here. I'm shooting from here all the way across to, I'd say, roughly here. This is about 100 meters. Anyways, this is the distance plus minus that you'll need to shoot. Now, I'd recommend doing this on the Al-Mazrah map, just as there's many more less armored enemies here. These Al-Qatala soldiers you'll often find without helmets, so you can even one-tap headshot them. Obviously, you'll also want to put anything that helps accuracy on your gun, a front grip, maybe a bipod. That helps as well, as long distance is something that you'll be slowly tap firing when you're doing it. If you get high ground, that'll help as well. High ground not only takes you a bit further away from the enemy, but it also allows you to see them a bit further away more clearly. So when they run and hide, at least you can see them. They really can't see you. Now, this isn't exactly ideal with an M4 platform weapon, but at least it does work. It's not too painful to do. It's just a bit of a chore if you're not usually taking pot shots from way far away. Right, well, I think I've cleared out most of the enemies here that I can see from a distance. I suppose I'll head towards the airport and get some more there. In fact, there may even be some in this town here, though I think it might be a bit too close range for comfort and the mission. Now, I'm pretty sure if you use a range finder or a range spotter, whatever that item is called, as your tactical, you could probably narrow this down even more accurately and know that you're getting enemies at 100 meters practically always. Though that may be a bit overkill, it's good enough to eyeball it, and 10 isn't too many, though finding them can be an issue. So traveling across the map is definitely something you'll need to do. Alright, there we go. New game, new gun. This one has a 5x scope in it, so it's at least doing a little bit more than before. Now to just find some enemies to use it on. These ones have helmets, so it's not necessarily the best to do it here, but we can try. I'll try post up here, and that should be far enough away. Maybe 100 meters. Let's see. Oh, in fact, I could just look at these and aim. Let's see. Is this 100 meters? 60 meters. 70, 80. Already they're difficult to see. Here is 100 meters to the front of this, so I assume most of these would be far behind. Can we post up here? No, we can't. Oh well. I'll go into single fire and see what we can do. Oh, there's one at least. Two. This one is far too close. 97 meters, just too close to count. If you ping enemies as well, at least it'll also show you the distance. Speaking of distance, I think the ones by the hangar have actually despawned. I got so far away from them. Some new enemies have come in, that's good. Not good that they're running towards me though. Let's try and get up here. So really, while it sounds like an easy mission, it's not too easy in that you need to find yourself far away from enemies, which isn't always the case in DMZ. The airport, however, does seem like a good place to start this at least. Maybe in this direction? Is that 100 meters from me? 50. 80 meters, 90. Oh wow, even this is difficult. I was expecting it to be annoying, but nowhere near this annoying. So by 100, this is 110. Perfect. 1, 2. Now we need 2 more to finish this. Maybe we can try off of this side of the roof. I think those are enemies there. Maybe that'll help us. Nope, there's no enemies over there. There's literally nothing in any direction here. There's one there. This is our chance. Maybe. 80 meters. I would really appreciate it if they stopped chasing me. It really just despawned. It despawned as I was shooting at it. Oh, he's back. That was 95. Oh my goodness. A truck. This is good. This is not good. They're coming in my direction. Can you stop? 100 meters. Yes. Done. That has been M4 weapons testing. Wow, is this mission annoying just because these things just randomly despawn for literally no reason. You'll still be shooting at them and they'll just poof, not exist anymore. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot. That was more than annoying, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.